Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR manual strapping tool. So we got our instructions. We got a whole bunch of clamps, large roll of strapping material. We got our clamp tool and our tensioning tool. So these are good for boxing up heavy things like air conditioners, but they're mostly used on pallets. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our strap, we're going to run it over, and I still got it attached to the roll. If you want to, you can cut this off at an approximate length just to make it a little bit easier on yourself, but you do not have to. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the loose end, and that is going to go underneath the foot. So underneath the foot and underneath the cutter, and then I got a few inches left over, so I got something to clamp onto. Then when I lift this up, that's going to level out the cutter so I can fit the other side through it. So it's going through the cutter and through the tensioner. Now all we have to do is crank this guy, and that will tighten it up. Now you can see this can put a lot of force on it, so you just make it as tight as you want it. And these clamps do have some teeth going in opposite directions on either side, so all we're going to do is fit this under both pieces of strap. And with the clamping tool, when we open it up, you can see it opens up that jaw, and when we close, it squeezes the jaw. So just put it over the clip and give it a squeeze. And you can see that is well clamped on there. So to finish it off, all we're going to do is press down. This is going to engage the cutter and release the foot. So this makes for a super secure strap. We often put these around drums to make sure that those drums don't fall over and start rolling all over the bed of the truck. It also just makes it a lot more stable if you're going to be transporting it on a pallet jack. The great thing about this, as opposed to the metal ones, is you can cut this with a knife. Whereas with the metal ones, you need to get tin snips or something else. So this is my preferred style of strap. So overall, that is a very nice kit.